Amber and I'm going to read one of our cool stories, Duck in the Truck, written by Jez Alborough. And this is quite a funny story. This is the duck driving home in a truck. This is the track which is taking him back. This is the rock struck by the truck. And this is the muck where the truck becomes stuck. These are the feet which jump the duck down into the muck, all yucky and brown. This is the frog who spies from a bush and croaks, "I'll help give you a push." Can you see them there? There's the frog and the duck and they're pushing the truck. This is the push of a frog and a duck. And this is the truck still stuck.
Oh, it looks a bit dirty.
This is the sheep driving home. Oh, let's pick up our sheep. This is the sheep driving home in the Jeep tractor. "Get out of the way," he yells with a beep. This is the quack of an angry duck. "I can't help it," he snaps. "My truck is stuck." This is the quiet as they think what to do. "Got it," croaks Crog. "Sheep can push too." So I'm going to put sheep there, move their Jeep. This is the slur and the squelch and the suck as the sheep steps slowly through the muck. This is the push of a sheep, a frog and a duck. And this is the truck still stuck. This is the happy, sleepy goat relaxing in his motorboats. This is the ear that hears the shout. "My truck is stuck in the muck and it won't get out." This is the rope. And here's the goat's plan to tie a knot as tight as they can. This is the push at the rear once again. And this is the pull as the boat takes the strain. These are the wheels. Finally gripping, this is the knot, suddenly slipping. This is the truck with an engine on fast, back on the track. Let's put duck in. Unstuck at last. This is the duck. Let's put the duck again. Driving home in their truck, leaving the frog and the sheep and the goat stuck in the muck. There we go, the end.